13 amazing benefits and uses of clove oil. Clove is a popular spice and a botanical treasure with a fascinating history dating back to ancient civilizations, where it was prized for its medicinal and culinary properties. Clove oil in particular was traditionally used as a powerful analgesic and antiseptic. Fast forward to today, and clove oil is back in the limelight, making waves with its impressive benefits and versatile uses. Here's everything you need to know about this natural wonder. Number 1. Dental marvel. Have you ever experienced the persistent discomfort of a relentless toothache? In such moments, clove oil emerges as a reliable remedy. Make sure to wash your hands, then combine a few drops of clove oil with a half a teaspoon of olive oil. Soak a cotton ball in that mix and press it gently against the achy tooth or gum for 10 to 15 minutes. Beyond its direct application, clove oil can also play a role in overall oral care. Consider adding some to your homemade toothpaste or mouthwash to take advantage of its potent antibacterial properties. Number 2. Acne banisher. If you struggle with acne, you're probably familiar with the dual challenge of tackling pimples and dealing with lingering acne scars. Fortunately, clove oil steps up to the plate, addressing both concerns and leaving your skin noticeably healthier. Take a tiny drop and dab it onto your acne as a spot treatment, or just mix it with your cream. It not only diminishes the visibility of blemishes, dark spots, and acne scars, but also boasts mild exfoliating properties, making it effective in gently sloughing off dead skin cells that may be clinging to the surface of your skin. Number 3. Respiratory relief. Stuffy nose got you down? Add a few drops of clove oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for comforting relief. You can also combine clove oil with other essential oils, like eucalyptus and peppermint, along with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, to create a soothing balm. Apply this blend to your chest or throat to help relieve respiratory congestion and discomfort. Number 4. Insect repellent. Did you know that many insect repellent companies include clove oil as a key ingredient in their sprays? But guess what? If you have some clove oil at home, you don't need to spend money on commercial bug repellent. Simply dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it to your exposed skin the next time you venture outdoors. It will mask your natural human scent, making you less attractive to pesky bugs and mosquitoes. Number 5. Natural lice treatment. Got some unwanted visitors camping out in your hair? No worries. Grab some clove oil, about 15 drops, and team it up with 2 ounces of carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil. Generously apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, making sure to cover it evenly. Take your time and massage it into the roots. Now, pop on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a towel and leave it on for a couple of hours. After that, wash your hair and use a lice comb to remove the dead critters and eggs. Repeat this process every few days for a couple of weeks to eliminate them entirely. Number 6. Digestion booster. Clove oil has long been recognized for its digestive properties, helping to alleviate symptoms such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Adding just 1 drop to your herbal tea creates a delightful elixir that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also aids in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. Sip, savor, and let the soothing properties work their magic. Number 7. Headache helper. If you're grappling with a throbbing headache, try massaging a diluted blend of clove oil onto your temples and forehead to help ease tension. As you gently apply the blend, take a moment to appreciate the aromatic essence of cloves, known for its comforting and stress-relieving properties. This simple self-care ritual addresses the physical discomfort and engages your senses, creating a holistic approach to headache relief. Number 8. Mold buster. If you're dealing with mold growth, don't sweat it. There's a simple and effective solution you can whip up at home. All you need is a teaspoon of clove oil and 4 cups of water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and give the mold-infested surface a generous spritz. Then, take a sponge or a brush and start scrubbing away. This mechanical action is vital to breaking down and dislodging stubborn mold. Once you're finished scrubbing, rinse the area with water to ensure you remove any leftover residue. Number 9. Cough suppressant. When the coughing season hits, mix a couple drops of clove oil with a spoonful of honey for a simple homemade cough suppressant. The natural antiviral and antibacterial properties of clove oil work in harmony with the soothing qualities of honey to create a powerful and effective remedy. For best results, consume this mixture before bed. Number 10. Muscle and joint pain relief. Thanks to its potent analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, clove oil is an excellent natural remedy that helps relieve pain and discomfort. To ease your agony, gently massage diluted clove oil onto the affected area. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to a warm bath. The aromatic essence and therapeutic properties of cloves combine to create a soothing experience, alleviating tension and promoting muscle relaxation. Number 11. Nausea Nixer. Whether it's from motion sickness, the flu, or an upset stomach, if you're feeling queasy and looking for a quick remedy, look no further than clove oil. Just a few drops mixed with a glass of water can help ease your discomfort and allow you to get back to feeling your best in no time. Number 12. Air freshener. Crafting your own household air freshener is another clever way to use clove oil. You can easily create a refreshing spray by mixing a few drops with water in a spray bottle. Clove oil's aromatic properties can help eliminate unpleasant odors and provide a warm, spicy fragrance to your living spaces. Spritz the mixture in rooms, on upholstery, or even in your car to enjoy a natural and comforting scent. Number 13. Antifungal treatment. The natural antiseptic properties of cloves make them effective against both bacterial and fungal growth. To address toenail fungus, blend 6 to 8 drops of clove oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to the affected area several times a day for optimal results. The inherent properties of clove oil work synergistically with coconut oil, offering a potentially beneficial solution for combating toenail fungus. As more people turn to natural remedies and plant-based therapies, it's clear that clove oil will continue to play a vital role in enhancing overall well-being. Whether incorporated into skincare routines or used for aromatherapy, the versatility and efficacy of clove oil are truly remarkable. That being said, it's important to remember that individual responses to clove oil can vary. Before applying to a larger area of the skin, especially in concentrated forms, it's advisable to perform patch tests and follow recommended dilution ratios to ensure safe and effective use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please consider liking it and sharing it with your friends, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay updated with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.